Get strong.
Hello, everyone. Raise your hand if your main fuel is coffee. We all need that little push to start the day, right? Say hello to our new Coffee Adulting Fuel Owl design. This relatable little guy perfectly captures the morning struggle and the cure. This design is hilarious and instantly relatable, making it a guaranteed quick seller for your shop. Perfect for coffee lovers, parents, and anyone who's over it. This Eco Solvent Heat Transfer provides vibrant colors and incredible durability. Just press it with your heat press or iron and you're ready. Save time and skip the cutting hassle. Get this funny, unique transfer instantly at www.stylejunction.com and fuel your next apparel launch. Don't forget to like and subscribe as we put out newly created images 2 to 3 times a week. See you in the next video.
Get strong.